Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a supported Windows 11 build and that your Microsoft account is signed in, because Game Bar ties into Xbox services and permissions. Open Services. MSC to set gaming services and Xbox accessory management to automatic. This ensures required daemons run at boot. Once done, go to Settings Privacy to allow microphone and camera, and Settings Apps Background Apps to permit Game Bar. Without these, captures and overlays will fail even if the UI appears. Now enable the Xbox Game Bar in Settings Gaming so shortcuts like Win+G are active. You need that to open overlays. Configure graphics settings to prioritize game mode and enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling where available, because performance and capture reliability depend on GPU pipeline access. Update your GPU drivers from Device Manager or the vendor tool. Outdated drivers break overlays and capture APIs. Once updated, restart Windows to Finally, press Win+G to open Game Bar and record a brief clip to confirm functionality. This verifies overlay, audio, and capture components. If it fails, reset the Game Bar app in Settings Apps or reinstall with PowerShell, because corrupted app data often causes issues. As a last step, run sfc/scano to repair system files or create a new user profile to isolate account-specific problems. If you still see errors, note the exact behavior so you can target the failing component.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.